Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to connect frames in Figma. So let me of course create two frames. So just press on this button frame or just click on F on your keyboard. Let me just create a rectangle frame number 1 and frame number 2 like that. And now guys, you can choose them both and then you just need to click on prototype. If you don't, the buttons to connect them will not appear. So click on prototype. And now guys, as you can see, we have these little buttons with the plus. So to connect them, just click on the plus and move them like this. And in here in the menu, of course, you can just customize your interaction, which I won't. I will leave this to you. But as you can see, this arrow means that both of our frames are connected and it now shows as a flow, right? So this is a good sign. But in general, guys, this just takes a few steps, just a few clicks on your keyboard and a mouse. Enjoy! And happy working with Figma, really great platform. Also, don't forget to support our platform, which is our YouTube channel, with a like and a subscription, and I'll see you in the next video.